Alright, we're sitting in a 2004 Mercedes S55 AMG. We just installed a Dension Gateway 500. It's going to be a quick video, it's just a customer install. We had the cable come out right here. There's a little hole there. iPod just goes right there. This customer chose it. We can pretty much put it anywhere you want. Alright, just a quick demo. You hit CD Mag. Oops, sorry. CD Mag gives you all your options: scan playlist, scan artist, scan albums. Now let's say scan playlist. You go up to, whoop, sorry about that. CD Mag, scan artist, scan playlist. That's the full iPod. Alright, now you can go down, or up actually. This is my on the go, hip hop, freestyle, reggae, metal. Now you can also go to scan artists and it'll show you the current artist that's playing, or you can go up and down through your artists. Alright, now you go to CD Mag. Again, you can scan albums. It'll show you the current album that's playing. Best of Bob Marley. Now you can also go down through the albums too through here. Ooh, it's a good album there. Alright, now you can also go this, when you scan it automatically goes to when you set it. Now if you go to, let's say, CD Mag and you do CD6, that's your menu. Now in your menu you can select source. You select by holding down fast forward. Now iPod GW is iPod control from the iPod. I mean from the radio. USB you have as well. And then if you want iPod UI, it lets you control it through the iPod. Alright. Now if you go over here, you have full control from the iPod. Now what you can do too, go to menu. Go to, well, I had Pandora in there somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. But you go to AOL radio. See, the music mutes itself. And then AOL radio. DJ A&M, AOL radio. Because he's hood, because he wears his pants low. Alright, now let's go back to the iPod real quick, just so you a quick little other menu. If you go into CD Mag, well, you can also do it through here. You can go, if you could, right now you're on CD5, if you go to CD6, that's your menu. You go to iPod GW, which iPod GW is a text, and you have to select that by fast forward. Once you get into down here, you have to select by fast forward. Now you go back to CD Mag, go to CD6, which is the menu. Now you get source, playlists, artists, albums, songs, podcasts, genres, and composers, and also audiobooks. Now let's say you go back to artists, select the artist. Well, when you get into this menu over here and you're selecting here where the arrow is, you have to hold down fast forward. Fast forward. ABC search. Now you can go ABC search, you can go all, or AC/DC. Now you go back to ABC search, you hold it down. Now this is a small iPod, so it goes ABC, DEF, GHI. Now if you had a larger iPod, it would go individual letters. So let's say we're looking for Jay-Z. Now all his albums, Blueprint 3, Reasonable Doubt. Let's say we want Blueprint 3. You select Blueprint 3, hold it down. And there's that sound that everyone knows. And you select it. That's a more defined, quicker search. That's pretty much it though. It's a pretty good interface just to show you. I don't know if you can see. Hold up. You turn on the light right here. Sorry for the video, but alright, right here we mounted their that's a USB on the left and the RCA with the switcher box. If you want to switch back to your changer, you mark that full circle to a little circle, turn off the key for about 30 seconds and turn it back on, and your factory changer comes back on. That's about it. This video is brought to you by Infant Car Stereo. We sell and install, so give us a call if you need anything. Thanks for watching.